If you want to build a successful brand or business, you need marketing. Good marketing. Great marketing, actually. He's right. Because it's great marketing that's going to allow you to become desired by the market, stand out from the competition, and really grow your business. And that's why in this episode, I'm going to show you how to build your brand and grow your business using the exact same marketing strategies I've used for myself and with my clients over the past 10 years. So let's get to it. Hey there, my name is Adam Erhart, marketing strategist, and welcome to the channel, the #1 place to learn proven marketing strategies. So if you're new here, you may want to consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you never miss a future episode. Here's the deal. Marketing is the single most important element to your business's success. After all, it's marketing's job to help you spread the message about your business, attract new people, and have those people turn into happy, loyal, paying customers. But like I mentioned before, good marketing isn't enough anymore. You need great marketing. Fortunately, I've got your back. So here are a few ways that you can grow your brand and build your business with great marketing. But before we dive in, just a real quick note, just in case you happen to think that these strategies may not work for you, because they will. You see, over the last 10 years, I've worked with hundreds, if not thousands of different businesses, ranging in sizes from small, local mom and pop shops all the way up to billion-dollar empires, and everything in between. And one thing I know to be true is that while the size and the scope of the marketing strategy may differ between different businesses, well, the core foundational marketing principles that lead to business growth are always the same. And that's what we're talking about now. So let's start at the top with some basic marketing 101. Your job with your marketing is actually pretty simple. You need to A, make something awesome, B, tell people about it, and then C, do it again. Let me break those down. You see, the very first thing you need to do to build a profitable, in-demand, and sustainable business is, wait for it, a really good product or service. Now, I appreciate this sounds painfully obvious, and yet it's still something that all too often gets overlooked or completely ignored. This is because great marketing can sell anything once, but it's going to be hard to get people to come back and buy again, much less tell their friends and their family about just how great your business is if what you're selling just isn't that special. And this is why step 1 is to make something or be something truly special. And the best way to do that is through a marketing term known as differentiation. Differentiation, fortunately, is one of those marketing terms that is pretty much exactly what it sounds like. It's simply how are you different than your competitors? That's pretty much it. Of course, being different is great, but it's not enough. You want to be different in a way that actually matters to your customers, in a way that they find better or more unique or, again, special. So what is your business's competitive advantage? What do you do better than anyone else? What does your brand or your business stand for? And what are your company values or underlying guiding principles? You know, things like that. There's a quote that I absolutely love by Sally Hogshead that says, "Different is better than better." And when it comes to marketing, she's got a pretty good point. Okay, so now that we've got that covered, let's move on to the next point. And that is, to build a successful brand and business, you can't be shy about it. And you need to tell people about it a lot. One of the biggest, most blatantly obvious truths in all of marketing is that people can't buy from you if they don't know that you exist. This is why if you have a business or a product or a service or an offer that you're proud of, well, you owe it to people to tell them about it. Another way to look at this is by not marketing, not telling your market about your solution, about your business, and about your offer. Well, you're essentially doing a disservice to them because you're allowing them to continue to suffer and struggle and fight when you've got the solution to a problem that they have. And that's not cool. No, not in a spammy, sleazy, salesy kind of way. That's just gross and doesn't work that well anyway. No, what you need to do is to market your business in a way that allows you to talk about your customers, talk about their problems, and talk about your business in a way that positions your business as a solution to their problems. Your marketing isn't about you. It's about them. And you can do this marketing through any channel, including content marketing, and social media marketing, and email marketing, and online advertising, and the list is pretty much endless. The key though, and the underlying principles are always the same. Spread the word and help your people. It's the ultimate win-win. Okay, that's all good, but there is one more step, and that's to do it all again. You see, as the saying goes, if it's worth doing, it's worth overdoing. And while this is generally terrible life advice, in the context of marketing, it's perfect. This is because marketing never has been and never will be a one and done, or set it and forget it, or just do marketing for a single day and have your business grow for the rest of eternity. That'd be amazing, but it doesn't work that way. Marketing is kind of like going to the gym, or eating healthy, or building a relationship. It takes time, it takes commitment, and it takes a daily commitment to the cause, but the results are worth it. But there's another benefit here to showing up regularly and continuing to invest time and money and energy into your marketing. And that is that even if you do a ton of things wrong and mess up a whole bunch of stuff, you'll still probably come out ahead. This is because your customers, and you and me, well, us as humans, we naturally associate frequency with trust, meaning the more that you can show up in front of your people, provide value, spread the message, and essentially increase touch points and points of awareness with your clients and customers, well, the more they're naturally going to know you and like you and trust you. Long story short, the more we see something, the more we trust it. Now, this probably stems back to our caveman days, back when we had to be a little more skeptical about which animals were friendly and which ones were trying to eat us. This is why finding a way to increase customer touchpoints and show up again and again, and essentially just increase the frequency with which you're showing up in front of your clients and customers, well, it's pretty much a winning strategy every single time. But the key with all of this is to build your marketing on a solid foundation of proven marketing principles. This is why the next thing you're going to want to do is check out the video I have linked up right here on Introduction to Marketing. So make sure to check that out now, and I'll see you in the next episode. Marketing is a major business function that's made up of a bunch of other parts, one of which, of course, is advertising. But there's also a ton others like PR, market research,